In this tutorial, we will know about fillet and chamfer in sketch modeling. So we will go to sketch and we can find fillet and chamfer command on this sketch fillet and sketch chamfer. First we will know about fillet. So to do the fillet, first let us draw a rectangle. Take a corner rectangle from this two end point like this and click OK. And then I select sketch fillet. In sketch fillet, there are two options to select. Either we can select a vertex means a point, or we can select two entities for the fillet. Select these two lines. This is the first line and that is the second line. And here we can see the preview of this fillet. The parameter for this fillet is the radius of this fillet. Currently this is 10. Then we have option keep constraint corner or dimension each fillet. So if we want to keep the corners, we can check it or we can uncheck this. So I click OK, and here we can see a fillet on the corner of radius 10. And similarly we can do the fillet on other corners. Just select two reference lines or we can select a vertex. So this time we will select a vertex. Let me select this point. If I select this point, we can see the preview in this yellow color. There is a fillet showing. I select this corner point. Then we can insert some different radius, 15, press enter and click OK. And in the similar way we can add fillet or I select these two lines, give some value of radius and OK. So this is the way we add fillet in drawings. And once again click OK. In the similar way we can insert chamfer. So I undo these fillets. I select sketch chamfer. In chamfer there are two types of input, angle distance and distant distance. First we will cover this distant distance and we will take equal distance. In chamfer, one corner point is replaced by two corners. So I will zoom in on this first. Then we have to select a vertex point or two reference. So this is the first, this is second. And here we can see the corner is now replaced by two corners. If I zoom in on this, it will show a better preview. The distance we had taken is 10 and that is equal distance on both sides. So that is the distant distance. This is first distance, this is second distance. This is 10, this is 10 and click OK. So this type of chamfer is called symmetric chamfer. Another chamfer is asymmetric chamfer. I will select sketch chamfer. Then we can select a vertex or two lines. So these two lines. This time I make it unequal. So we have already selected this. I cancel this. We will do it in next chamfer. I will go to chamfer and first we will define the parameters. I select this unequal. Then take this distance 10 and second distance value suppose I take 15. Press enter and then select the reference. Okay, these two lines. And now we can see these two chamfer are of unequal distance 15 and 10. That is asymmetric chamfer. Third type of chamfer is the angle distance. So once again I will select this sketch chamfer and select angle distance. So in this type of chamfer, the input parameters are an angle and a distance value. So currently these values are 10 and 45. I have to select a reference and here we can see the parameters. This angle is 45 and the distance is 10. That is the chamfer and click OK.